Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I'm going to talk about the May favorites. So I can't believe May have finished and June has started, and today is 1st June and I feel so relieved. My son has started going to school from today onwards. Last 2 months he was in summer vacation and I did not have any me time for me. Whenever my husband used to come from office, then only I used to have me time. He used to spend time with my son, then only I used to have me time. But now, okay, today I'm filming the video, he is not there at home and I'm feeling quite relaxed. But today's video I'm not going to talk about this. So I'm going to talk about my monthly favorites for May. So May I have used a lot of new products, tried a lot of new things, and sometimes I went out of my comfort zone and spend more time in few different things and also try to explore different things. So yeah, so a lot of things has happened and a lot of you guys have joined my YouTube family, and yeah, I'm so thankful for you guys. And yeah, I'll be keep on doing a lot of videos for you guys, and let me know your suggestion in the comment section below. So let's jump into the video, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And without further ado, let's get started. So I have couple of things in my hand which I am going to talk about, but the first product I'm going to talk about are lashes. So last month I have been wearing a pair of lashes so much and I have been loving it. Whenever I wore these lashes, my look was looking so beautiful. So I am talking about this PAC lashes. This is the PAC M75 and it retails at rupees 295. And these are similar to the Huda Beauty Samantha lashes, and yeah, they are so beautiful. Whenever I wear it, it looks so beautiful. My eyes look so beautiful, and also it is not so costly also. And this one, the band is little bit thicker than other PAC or different lashes, low price lashes, so you can reuse it so many times. So I love this so much, so I thought, okay, I'm going to make different makeup tutorials using lashes or bridal looks or some inspired looks like Alia Bhatt inspired looks, Sonam Kapoor inspired looks, lot of inspired looks I'm going to create. And every time I need false lash, otherwise you don't get a dramatic look. So yeah, I thought, okay, let me order few more of these lashes. But when I went to Nykaa to order this, I found these are not available. So what to do then? What I did, but I found this too. So the one I'm referring to is PAC M74 and PAC M76, like one up, one down. These two lashes also are similar to those, only PAC M75 has some crisscross style at the beginning, like this lashes has little bit of crisscross lashes, but these don't have any crisscross kind of thing. So M74 and M76 does not have the crisscross style at the lash band, but M75 has that crisscross style. Might be for that reason it looks so beautiful, I don't know. But yeah, I have ordered this too also. These are also 295. So yeah, I wanted the backup of this one, so I got this too. So while I am talking about eyes and eyelashes, let me talk about the eye makeup products that I have been loving. Last month I have been using so much. So one of them is being this, the L'Oreal Infallible Gel Crayon 24-hour waterproof. This is a very good, very soft crayon, and the tip also, the gel product is so soft, it does not hurt your eyes, and also it dries very fast, like it stays all day. Like if water is coming in the corners of your eyes and all, the kajal does not smash. So yeah, this is a very good one. L'Oreal also have different shades of this, but I do have the black one. The next product I'm going to talk about is this Kiko Milano glitter eyeliner. This is so beautiful. This is a holographic glitter. It looks so beautiful on your eyes. It has so many colors. It looks silvery, but when you apply in your eyes shines like a different color shining is coming from your eyes. It's so nice. This is a very good product. I think I bought it at 800 rupees, and all the details of the products I will mention in the description box below. Don't forget to check it out. And next, talking about one more Kiko product that I have been loving last month is this palette. This is the Kiko Milano Smart Eye and Cheeks palette. It is in the shade 03. So it has a blush, big size blush, then one shimmery eyeshadow, one satin finish eyeshadow, and two matte eyeshadows. and also it has a very big mirror, so you can do makeup with this. So yeah, this is a very good thing I bought last month. I think I paid 1350, but really a good product I bought, and the packaging also looks so beautiful, and also it is very strong. Next I am going to talk about two products. These are two concealers that I have been using last month so much. One of them is new. This is the one. This is the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. I am in the shade C11. It is a magic for me. Like today I'm not wearing, but whenever I wear it in these areas like look so blurry, and my under eyes also look so perfect, and it is a very full coverage. And yeah, and it's not so much costly also. I think it retails at rupees 695, means almost around 700 rupees. But yeah, it's a means I don't use it every time, but whenever I want that flawless look, so I go for this. Like also, like few of you whoever has very dark under eyes, and this Fit Me and other lightweight concealer does not cover your dark spots, you can go for this. This has a full coverage. It is similar to the Huda Beauty for filter foundation. It is a very high coverage. And the next concealer that I am going to talk about is this LA Girl Pro Concealer High Definition Concealer. So this I'm wearing today also, and I'm in the shade Fawn. So it was on discount at Nykaa when I bought two of this. I think 338. Like it is the cheapest concealer at so good coverage, and yeah, it stays long time. It does not crease. I think this is a very good concealer. I think this is better than Maybelline Fit Me concealer. Maybelline Fit Me concealer has lesser coverage, but this has a little bit more coverage. Not like coverage, like so much of coverage that it looks so much flawless, but yeah, it gives a very skin like finish. Like I like to use under my eyes, near my mouth, and a little bit in the nose, and it gives a very skin like finish. But yeah, it does not crease, and I can wear it long time, and it does not feel heavy also in my face. The other one, that Makeup Revolution concealer, it feels a little bit tight on your face because it dries and it gives a very flawless effect, so it feels a little bit tight under your face. But this LA Girl Pro Concealer looks very good. So next one loose powder that I have explored last month in the month of May is this one. This is the Lakme 925 Natural Finishing Powder infused with aloe vera and green tea extract. This is a very good product, and yeah, I feel like for me I'm very oily, and if I use a compact, my under eye creases, and the concealer and the foundation melts near my mouth and under my eyes. Those areas I need a loose powder so that I can put lot of and then remove bake. As you know, baking has been used so much nowadays, so we need powder to bake our under eyes. But earlier I think we did not have much powder in Indian market. We had most of the compacts. So many brand has compacts, but we never had a loose powder, and we are like dying for loose powder to bake our under eyes. Those who have dry skin, they may not need a loose powder to conceal their under eyes and all, like but girls like me who have very oily skin, they need a loose powder to set their under eyes so that does not move. So yeah, Lakme has come up with this one, and yeah, and it's not so much costly like the L'Oreal ones and all. Like it is not like more than 1,000 rupees and something very high costly that nobody can afford, and you know, and you can use it. It is like 550 rupees, and you get a lot of product in it. I think you can use it for 1 year. So yeah, this is really a good one. This is not exactly same as the Lakme earlier rose powder. This is little bit of different finish. It has little bit of satin finish. Today I am wearing this, and you can see I have little bit of shine in my face because of this. This has a very nice satin finish to it. It is a loose matte powder, but it has a very beautiful satin finish. I think Lakme 925 Natural collection, all of the products are having very beautiful satin finish in it. In even the lipstick or the gel kajal or the loose powder, everything have a very beautiful satin finish. But yeah, I have been using this so much, and once I start baking under my eyes using a loose powder, you can see my under eyes looks flawless, and there is no creasing, and it's not for 1-2 hours. Like lasts up to 12 hours. Up to 12 hours I don't see any creasing under my eyes, and it looks so flawless. The next thing I'm going to talk about are lipstick. So I have been wearing this few lipsticks and I have been loving this. Whenever I wear this lipstick I feel like, wow, what a lipstick. So I'm talking about these two Nykaa lipsticks. So one is in the shade IT Girl and another is Mishti. I'm wearing Mishti today. You can see it looks so beautiful. Like, it's very bold, very dark, very bright. I love the shade Mishti. And IT Girl, like, you don't want every time to wear such a bold lipstick. You sometimes wear a very, nice lipstick. It has a little bit of color also, but it does not look so bold. For that, IT Girl is very nice. It is a very beautiful purpley pink shade, not very pink. It is, you can see it's a little bit of purple shade. And Mishti is quite red. I have been loving this Nykaa matte to lash lipsticks, these two shades. All the other shades are like, you have to think and what makeup you are going to wear with those lipsticks, you have to think about that. But these two lipsticks you can wear anytime. So the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is this L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss. So this is a very interesting lipstick. It's not a matte lipstick, it's not a gloss, it's in between a matte and gloss. It is not so much glossy that it is going to touch in your lips and my chin area and all. Lot of glosses whenever I wear and I eat or something, I don't know what I do, it gets stuck in my area. But this is not so much glossy and it is not too much matte also. If you have chapped lips, dry lips, then you can go for this. This is not so matte and so gloss, but it stays long time. So this is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte Gloss in the shade Bare Attraction. So this is a very beautiful nude color and I love to wear this. Yeah, but I need a lip liner for this, a brown kind of a lip liner for this. Now the last product I am going to talk about are these lenses. So last month I have been trying out new lenses. So I was looking for lenses and I found Freshlook in the Instagram, and I find like I can try a colored lens for free. Like they have mentioned I have to put my details and all, so and register, and they are going to give me one colored lens for free. And I was so excited. I thought, okay, I don't know how lenses are going to look on me, okay, and they are providing one free shade. And I think you had a lot of options. You had brown, green, and then hazelnut, lot of colors were there from Freshlook, and you can choose one of the lens and they are going to deliver it to your home free. So I thought, okay, that's a very good option. So I registered and they provided me one lens for free, and I tried, and then I find like, yeah, a lot of people are asking like what lens you are wearing, or my eyes are really looking good. So I thought, okay, that is a good one, so I should try for my lenses. Then I bought one more brown lens. The lens they have provided for free was for one day, so I could try for one day only. So I have ordered one brown shade lens that was for 1 month. So today also I am wearing the brown shade lens. So this comes in this packet. So that's all about the beauty products for the month of May. So the next product I'm going to talk about is not a beauty related product, it is a home decor, you can say. Basically it's a diffuser. This is how it looks. So my husband got it from Amazon. So what you need to do, you need to pour some water here, and it does not need any electricity, it can work on a battery. So it has a wear like this. What you need to do, you need a essence oil. I have this Nykaa lavender pure essential oil. It has very strong essence in it, or smell or perfume in it. You need a single drop to pour into it, and then since you have a wear like this is an USB. It is similar to your phone charger or maybe a rechargeable battery like this. Now you just switch on and you have the coal vapor coming out of it, and they are scented, and also it changes its color, like different colors it becomes, and it looks like a champagne bottle also. We tried to put it in our car, but it was not standing in our car. Whenever we put a hard brake, it was falling down. But for keeping it at dining table or any kind of table, it looks so beautiful. And yeah, and the best part of it, you don't need a electric point close by. You just charge this rechargeable battery and put it. And also if you don't have a rechargeable battery, you can put this into your phone charger and it's going to work. And yeah, it is not so much costly. I think he got under 500 rupees. So these are all the products that I have been loving for the month of May. And yeah, I'm so excited. June has started and I am going to have a lot of videos and lot of Instagram updates also, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.